Hey y'all, Sam here, and today we are going to play with the Alien palette from Jeffree Star. This palette is amazing. It definitely has some unique colors in there, and I'm seeing everybody doing green looks. So today we are going to do a quick, easy, neutral daytime look, the one that I am currently wearing. This is a perfect look for work, and it only takes a couple minutes. So if you're interested to see, keep on watching. I recently got this palette in Jeffree Star's Valentine's Day mystery box. It's definitely an interesting palette. I've seen a lot of people do green looks on YouTube using this palette, but we're going to see if we can create some looks that aren't green. Before I get started, I'm going to prime my eyes using my MAC Painterly Paint Pot. Okay, I think I'm going to zoom you guys in just a little bit closer so you can see more of what I'm doing. So the first color I'm going to use is Titan right here, just to put down a nice wash of foundation, nice wash of eyeshadow across the lid. I personally think this helps me get a better blend when doing my eyeshadow. Next we're going to go into Gravity. Gravity, by the way. Like, spill the tea. This is actually one of my favorite shades in this palette. I feel like it is such a perfect transition shade. I do have hooded lids, so when I open my eye all the way, you'll see that you can't see a lot of it. So I tend to go above my hood instead of actually like in the crease. Now we're going to deepen it using Phone Home. I love this shade. I feel like I could use this shade every day. Every day I could use this shade. So I'm kind of putting it along the crease area, but then also pulling it down onto my lid. Just going back to the fluffy brush I used in the beginning just to blend these together. Soften up that line. We only use this brush for Titan, so it doesn't have a lot of other colors on it. And I tend to use the same brush almost all the way through my eye look, unless I'm using a lot of like crazy colors. But when I'm doing a neutral eye look, I tend to use the same brush. It looks so nice. I mean, you could leave it there, but we're not going to do that. We're going to take Interstellar and pack her on the center of the lid. I'm doing this dry. Alright, let's just try using our finger. Yes, way better. Why is that? Metallics just work so much better with your finger. Now we're going to go back into Phone Home, and I'm just going to blend some of that into my lower lash line. We're going to go into Pluto, and we're going to use this above our brow and inner corner. I said above our brow. I mean under our brow. Just to brighten up this area here. Nice. This looks really good. You could stop right here. Once you put lashes, mascara, everything else on, it'll look good. But I want to deepen it just a little bit. So I'm going to go into X-Files right here, and we're going to add a little bit of this. I just want to deepen the outer part of my eye. Sorry if I get the mirror like so close. Got a little fallout on that one. Just dust it off. Alright, I'm going to finish the other eye, put my lashes and liner on, and I will be right back. Here's the finished look with mascara and lashes on. For my lips, I used Clinique's Love Pop 13. So this completes our daytime, quick, easy, neutral look using the Alien palette from Jeffree Star. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. All right, until next time, bye y'all.